cutie.
I was good on my own, that's the way it was. Take it till you had some fun, that's the way it was. Give it to you, but baby, don't get it twisted. You was just another nigga on the hit list, tryna fix any issues with a bad bitch.
What's up, guys? Welcome or welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Sarah, and we're back again with another video. I've been MIA again because I don't know say I'm pregnant and in a month when time to the baby shower. So yeah, after the baby shower, I'm never really getting the time to make no video. So yeah, here I am back again. So I hope you all enjoyed this video. Please remember to like, subscribe, share, and comment. Leave more than one comment on this video. If it's the first time you're being here, be sure to subscribe right now. Stop what you're doing and subscribe. No. Hit that like button and join the BE family. So guys, yeah, today's video is a story time about the other day when we're going to labor. Through the delivery and everything and what happened. Alright guys, so let's get into the video. Thanks to all those who support the channel, who always there and support me. I give a thanks, I'm gonna shout out to no one else. Anyway, it was Saturday, my mother's birthday. It was Saturday, November the 5th. That's last week Saturday. It was my mother's birthday, so we did go downtown and we did go around a bar. And my mother did run there and we get her one little gift, nothing much because I don't have any money right now. So yeah, we get her one little gift and we did run there take picture. Our boyfriend bring her some pizza, we did eat pizza and cheese sticks, and I don't like pizza, but yeah, I'm mother's birthday, so I enjoy it with her. Anyway, so then close up the shop and said then go out on the front to have a drink. When we reach out on the front now, we have a drink. My mother said she not bother come on the party with the sister, so I go. But Andre party, yeah. Me and my friend them go down there anyway. Down there I drink a Malta and I watch everybody and I get this little shocking kick every now and then. But me used to the shocking feeling, because from the 8 months pregnant, I feel this little shocking feeling. So I'm kind of used to the shocking feeling. So I get that shocking feeling there when I drink the Malta, but I never really pay no mind because, as we say, I had that feeling before. Anyway, drink up my Malta now and it's alright, time for go home. You know, say when we reach home, I don't know what happened, but I realize that I can't stay home. I cannot lay down. But I have to just keep on marching. I have to just march up, down, up, down, up, down. I run one. I'm in a work at hospital. So I say, no man. The father say, alright. I say, yeah, I'm alright, but I don't know if I'm alright. I don't know because and I have some man, and I have some feel right. It's time that I dilate because in a late man, I don't know, Anyway, then I walk up and down, up and down. Because I'm on duty, I really feel no pain, but I feel this belly bottom cramp, like belly bottom get heavy. When you lay down, it's a problem. When I sit down, it's a problem. I'm not sleeping, I march up. I said, alright, I'm going to try to sleep. Come to bed now, wake up with Sunday morning. Still have the feeling with the heavy belly bottom. So my friend did say she had to come look for me. So as my friend go look for me now, I say, I say, that's what I'm saying right now. I don't remember going to labor. My due date was the 2nd of November. I get 3 due date. The first doctor, I'm going to go a private doctor. So he tell me, say, I got to have baby the 2nd of November. The second visit, I'd go to the health center, the clinic, and then give me November 3rd. When we go to the ultrasound, no, ultrasound give me October 25th. But nurse them say, I was in my second trimester now. Second trimester, I do it. I don't remember about the date that the ultrasound give me is that accurate because me do it too late. So it's not a big chance I can have baby the 25th. But when the 25th come, he was so eager, I want a baby, everybody have baby left. I'm friend of my baby left. And I was like, oh my god. Everybody know people have get this time I have baby left me. Yes, I with the backside. That stress me out, you know, because me I feel every pain on my belly button. And me not have the baby, so me I stress out and I say, I want to me so that me can have baby. Anyway, the Sunday morning, my friend come late me now. I said to her, so you know, say, I feel like the visit here, I can make me go in a labor. But then, you know, I mean, there reason, I feel the belly button something again, you know, the something make me march the night before, and down again. Up and down, I watch the attack with me, I say, ooh, it's one night, take a pee pee, girl, look a pee pee. Then we go pee pee, and wipe a pure blood. Just to give you a company. So, you know, say, I call my nurse, okay, you know, every community have a nurse, right? So we call the community nurse and we tell her what happened. And she said, go on down, man. Go before I said, call a taxi. He must call a taxi because I'm nervous, you know. And see when I call him, I say, look here, in a labor, the baby will come. But through the prank him already, so the baby will come. Maybe he never really believed, but I first never catch him in a shock like that. I call a taxi. I'm in the bathroom, my bed now, because I want baby to get ready for go down. I tell the boy call the taxi when me come out down bed and come out of the bathroom and look through the window. The boy sit down on my bottom house at the doorway, so. I look at that space. I say, hello. What? You say, oh, call a taxi? Alright, call a taxi. Me say, yes, call a taxi. In the panic, in the panic. Bad. So go for my basin. When you tell the man to go for my basin, guys, what you never tell me where him do. The man go for the old baby bath. You know you have a baby bath, the big one. The baby can stand up in that baby. Then you have one little round basin, then you have one bucket. So you know, so when I go to the hospital, they have to have the round basin, plus a bag where you pack to bring you something them, right? So I say, bring out the bag and take out the basin. The boy bring out the bag, you know. Left the basin. So I say, go back for the basin, come back and bring the whole bath. You bring the bath and the basin. And then I come tell me, say, babes, you road full. Come like, say, true, I see me. I give myself true, I see my carrot is sitting there. Everybody knows, say, I go down there, I go down. So everybody have fun. So when me look out, they know what the big one about me. See me say, then that's why the people have crawled up down the road because I did big old party I bring. Everybody knows that they bring the hospital. What do you? Me say, the boy good panic. In panic. And I said, no, put back the big one and the little one alone and the bag will pack to the hospital. So I said, alright, the drive come now and when the drive come now, you know, we start get taxi to every day. I said, Jesus Christ, you are cool. The baby are cool, the son are cool. I'm excited to have one son. I said, Papa, ask no. Guys, the max no. Guys, I'm going to show you him, you know, but I'm already wanting Christopher and then I'm looking at face reveal. Baby star, I call him baby star because I'm going to go on the channel straight now. You know, we can't just video it and show. The next video is going to be my baby face reveal. And we're open to stay tuned for the one day. Okay, alright, a story, Papa? Yes, so which time I reach, guys? Oh, in the taxi. So in the taxi I go down now. I mean, I'm not feeling pain, just the heavy feeling I feel and the electric feeling, the electric shock from down in my from my navel go down in my vagina. So we didn't want the driver carry down and I said, so you not feeling pain? I said, no, I'm not feeling pain, but just feel my heaviness on my bottom. I say, yeah. Me now, you know, feel like say, I like evidence say me I feel right through labor, you know, me, you know, with my enough self. So me I laugh, now I'm happy, and I say, oh man, that pregnancy I look like it not coming up, Bianca. My friend now 5 minutes, them say every pregnancy different. Some come with pain, some come with pain, some, you know. I said, bad. You come like, it's a pregnancy, not from the pain. So, when you don't know the driver speed, I mean, I said, oh, take your time. Remember when I feel the pain? Take your time, take your time. When you're in the ears, take your time. When we reach the hospital now, we never have no mask. Two idiot them well pack and pack up and pack down. No mask. So every time we go buy a mask, you go buy the mask and come back. No, take me look at time or go for it. Every other day, when I go there, every other day, my mother come in a wheelchair. So I say, sir, I will make me walk. I can me try. Let's get to the moral of the story. Anyway, when we reach up at the maternity ward, we go to the nurse and I say, nurse, I think I'm in labor. She said, how old is your pregnancy? I said, it's 41 weeks. Because you me check you like Sunday to Sunday, Monday to Monday, Thursday to Thursday. But I check the date, like when the date I go end. So when me reach 41, me really shouldn't have 41, me should have 40 weeks and 3 days. But me, the way me count it, me say me there 41. So I said, no, but there 41 weeks. She said, no, you're at 40 weeks and 3 days. What makes you think there 41 weeks? I said, me start the way me check it from Thursday to Thursday. She sent me in the examining room, then check me. And I was like 3 centimeters. Alright, that I'm missing. Reach hospital 3. Because we leave up here about 2 o'clock after 2 them time. So when we reach the hospital now about to 3 them time. When we're going in our do blood test, it was like about 5 o'clock. 5 o'clock now, we start to want to look up pain. I said, nurse, examine me, baby, I come. She said, somebody is at 3 centimeters. That is good. Keep on walking. We didn't all over the place with that story. I said, one in Italy, we say when we drink time tea, baby will come fast. So me I drink the time tea for Friday night, you know. Saturday night we drink the time tea. Sunday morning when I see the blood, I say, time tea. So we had to be able to pass tea. And then already I'm going to go. I said, pass it tea. He said, say, now mix it. I said,
no, mix so you know, baby, give me.
So we drink the tea, man. No sugar, nothing, not too time drop down my throat, you know. I say, this baby, I come quick for two. Give me some more. He said, baby, for the love of me. He said, no, man. I supposed to see a drink up to the soda, so when I have no sugar. Wait there. Please like the video, and wait. Thank you. They say, that 3 centimeters, so I walk up and down. A baby mother come in and chat to them. Miss, what do you? Miss, you want this? I want lady them. Come in. She forgot her baby socks, and I said, hey, my mother wants socks, you know. You can't take one, man. Never mind, I can't take one. And there and then, me and I told my friend. I was there for like 24 hours, 26 hours. And me everybody on the water friend night. We did a long time. The people that love me, they're so funny. I don't know. There's no give them a joke. But the people them say, I mean, not paying me, I give them joke. The hospital did full, they never have no bed. As some people they would forget discharge them. I don't know why they never discharge them. They must have that wait till other people come in to discharge them. But admit, you know, but then I was on the bench because I have no bed never did it. I said, I always say, anytime I have money in a life, or if I have money in a life, I have to donate to the hospital. Oh God, man. Some of them artists have money at that way, them need to do some. Them finally say, take your bag and your stuff to bed 24, and that girl get 23. But from KFC for me now, tell them more KFC when the KFC come. We can't even look. The next day we dash with the drinks and the fries and eat the zinger and the chicken because I never want a KFC pain. And I said, oh yeah, and I said, go on around there. When we go around there, them 5 centimeters, I have to go back around bed. 5 centimeters. Miss Francis, you're at 5 centimeters. Please walk up and down so the baby can come quicker. They have one corridor, you know. The corridor there, must name baby mother walk. Hey. When you have to pay night, them say that. Up, down, big old corridor, you know. Yeah? I walk. The pain I get more intense. Nasty. Every 10 minutes, now it come every 5 minutes. Rapid. And when it comes every 5 minutes, it stop. Then if you have 15 minutes before it stop again, you know. Guys, we don't know how some people have baby every year. But I tell you, it's traumatizing, you know. My friend when name said when she go down there, when they pain the car and she goes to stop her foot, she feel the pain there. What did you have to tell me that? Yes, when we done with the foot, because when I have baby, the foot swell. Because when I lick my foot, I still feel the pain. And everybody, everything work for. Slap the foot, so take the foot so well. But after 11, go back in at the bed now and I try to sleep. Sleep? Girl, which part you gonna go sleep? Sleep what? Sleep where? Every time I have me and so pain goes so the get up. Oh my god. Get up. Oh, we forgot to tell them that part, yeah. After 8, the security catch up, you know, security woman. Oh, the daughter for my baby father had a night no car. But I in a labor, I go in and anything can happen in my life and dead thing. So I said to my baby father talk, she come. Hello. I'm going inside now. You're not supposed to be out there. It's after 8. Visiting hours finished from, and furthermore, you're not supposed to out here. And you're not supposed to be out here, so. Oh, should I talk to so? And I said, lady, you can't tell me which part if you did, when if you did, or what time if you did. You know, but you're not easy, lady. What you mean? Come go in right now. I said, miss, I talk to my baby father. Look at the time. I said, miss, I talk to my baby father. Me can go in a labor and then I not see him back around me. I talk to my baby father. What is the problem, miss? One back, God, we don't want to do too much work one time, you know. We don't want to do too much work one time. Go like on the own and the hospital. You can tell me these things, say, a time for going in, you can tell me about. Can't go in, like you pick me outside. You can't even talk to you, pick them if you have any. I say, miss, I talk to my baby father, be careful. But I'm going now, bright and feisty. Anyway, that's it and done now. But then I feel pain and the girl them say, go on in, go check how much you're there. When I go in, go check, them say, there are 7. Some for just go for my basin and stay in the labor. Because they have the labor room, they have a little passage. Where you can walk up and down the same way when you're in a pain. Want to say, Papa? I said, wait, Papa, cool. They said, go for your basin. They said, go for your basin and come around here. So stay near at the labor room. That's it, madam. So I go for the basin, guys. Come back, the nurse come and say, she want just to be the heartbeat for 20 minutes. So if you test the heartbeat for 20 minutes, just strap on one something palm me and then they and something and go bloop, bloop, bloop. And she left me alone in one big old room in a 100 bed. And me alone in there and if I get afraid. But when the pain licked me, I'm not afraid. I said, oh, Jesus. Oh, Jesus, help me, boy. And guys, when the lady come back now, I already start to take off the heartbeat. So I tell myself, before I come get my phone, I tell myself, I say, lady, 20 minutes gone already, me ready if you go back outside, go talk to my baby father again. I'm go back out there now, the lady said, the baby father cannot stay, he can't go there. Go there and I say, yo, later your man come, he can't bother. Yeah, later, because I don't want to tell that woman that's too bad. So I was like, alright, baby, bye, I love you. Examine me again, and say, I'm still there, 7. So I say, I walk up and down so much, I walk forward, the whole walk for me, just not going. I'm still there, 7. Anyway, the pain I get more intense, I walk up and down. This is some baby that come in there and then just add baby and go and left me, see we standing. And me, I wonder, what the hell is going on? What is going on? Let them just go in there and look at them just sneeze and have the baby and come out. Needed it all along now. It's the way the pain I get intense as a nurse. The baby I come nurse. When they don't come never baby come like at the time the baby start to come. I said nurse, the baby not come. She said no. Still there 7 centimeters. It's too much pain. I'm still there 7 centimeters. There's one. I can't write. Just drink again. I said, Miss Francis, stop it. Maybe 7 centimeters, we should even. I wonder if she said her back up though.
As a nurse, me know me not go back up there.
May I say, nurse, a pain. Oh, my sister, one girl come in, not about after 12 now, so 1 hour now me in there. The girl just have baby and gone in. One next one under the way, she 28 weeks pregnant, she said, the girl just come in as a nurse, the baby's coming. Examine her, I said, you're at 10 centimeters, where's the basin? By the time I hear the nurse, where's the basin? Me, you want baby, I cry. Me, I said, when I look, me, I said, no, the woman that way of the premature pregnancy. What the fuck, she have baby left me? Jesus! Guys, at the time me get mad. You mean, Jesus! Why? I said, the girl have baby left me, I said, I'm baby. I know it's not going to look for me, and I can't see me going too bad, because I have a boy. Nurse said, do not push. Do not push when I feel the pain. Mr. Nurse, when I push, I tense me, I tense.
Why are you crying?
I guess it must be in a ear, guys. So I'm putting the ear for this video. What I say, what is it? I'm like this. I don't know what I say. I said, whoa, Jesus. Help me, Jesus. So when did that woman come out? And then me hear the nurse say, what time is it? This baby is born. 5 minutes to 2. I'm so glad that woman come in. And she said, what time is it? This baby is born. 2:25. When next one come in and he said, what time is it? And I said, 5. So when did that have baby left me now? Nurse! Me said, nurse! We get mad now. There's a Miss Francis. Stop it, Miss Francis. Stop it. We know the pain is hot, but stop behaving like that. I'm still around there, behave body now. Let me hear one next nurse say, why would I make you come around here so early? Nurse said, nurse, baby, I come. Nurse said, Miss Francis, you're still there 7 centimeters. So at the time there at 1, 2, 3 hours past and then examine my bucket, you know. 3 hours past and then examine my bucket, I still at me 7. Them time I'm supposed to be there 8, 9. When the pain gets so intense. I say, nurse, baby, I come. She said, no, Miss Francis. No, you're not ready yet. To 3. I said, nurse, at 4 hours now, I feel the pain at 4 hours now, but that's 7 centimeters. Nurse gonna check me, but she alone did that work. Oh God, the lady, the tired man. But I feel it fear because the woman delivered about 15 baby before me go in, you know. And so when me go in, about 5 mother come have baby, left me. And so when me come up, I say I push about 3 more. And she alone at work, so she tired, you know. She alone at work as the midwife. And then I have one next nurse to tell her the time. Nobody else never did it. In the after 4, I see one pediatrician come to they can help her clean up the baby then. But she alone did it all night. So when me I said, nurse, she run on the next side and deliver one baby. I said, nurse, baby, I come. And she said, Miss Francis, take time with the knife. Stop it, Miss Francis, you're not ready yet. So I look, I said to 4. I said, Jesus Christ, it's a 5 hour. I'm still in a labor. I said, nurse, a 5 hour. And I said, what are you doing with a phone? You're not supposed to have a phone. Who should I talk to? Me have to have my phone because if me I put it, one cause money I say, oh, me I got dead, no. Me I got dead, no. But I can't put the phone on silent catch me. I don't want to know something. I have the phone because I don't want to video, you know, but the way the pain that lit me. I don't want to video for sure. The way the pain that lit me, guys, is a cool video. So me I say, I can't be for them calling. No, like him call me, but the phone is on vibrate. I answer the phone. And he must say, untill. I'm using but through them no say me always a make nice, then I pay no mind me attack. Because when I tell me nurse, I say, Miss Francis, how you do talk to yourself? Me say, Miss, me don't know who me talk to right now, but just attack.
You
serious? Because I call him and I say, Mom, see me say, the baby wants to come in and live on room. The baby not come. The baby don't come. I know me not with me ball, you know. And say, how long in the minute it's a 4 hour and then now pay me no man. And then now look at me. He must say, so when then them I say, I want no so work. And he must say, alright, look here, later here. And I say, I don't feel up here right now. And them say I forget from pain. I tell us, guys, the pain. But some woman come out and different though, because some woman that's going to go so, and me want baby a ball. I baby, whoa! Nurse, baby, Bianca! That one body now. Let me see after 4 I come now, and nobody still come back and examine me. I know say I alone at work, but wow, I tune into black and I can't even say, Jesus Christ, you come like say I tune me black when nobody don't want to buy me. Whoa, yeah, nurse Francis, stop it. Me say about nurse, somebody that pay me the mind. Be a dead, just go give me something to kill me, man.
Okay.
Me and the other one are going to look for me. I look at 20 minutes to 5, you know. I said, what am I going to do now to make them come on? And I paid my think of singing, and I said, what am I going to do now, guys? I sweat, because I don't want to have the funny, make it in nice. Only now I got to hear me properly. I said, what me can do now, guys? What me can do now for get the nurse to come on? Remember when she could say, when I feel like I don't call me. That a pain. Remember when she said that? That's a nurse! Yeah, what do? Just a lay down there, I'm coming. But you come aboard. 10, 20 minutes. I could look at the phone, but I did board. 10 minutes to 5. Or so. About 13 minutes or so. When she comes now, she examines me and say, oh my God, Miss Francis, I reached 10 fast. Miss a nurse, after 11 you examine me, you know. Last time you examined me at 12 o'clock, you know. And at 4 hours now, since I don't feel pain in a nurse. And I tell her, so the baby I come and you're not. And then she said, Miss Francis, oh God, I'm tired, but right now I need them weak. When she said me alone at work, I said, yes nurse, but the baby, the pain, man. I'm gonna have to burst the head water clear. I'll be just take a flood away. Just feel pure water. Anytime you feel the pain, push. And when I push, you say, Mommy, may I feel the baby, may I see the baby head. Give me a big push. I'm gonna say, I say, Jesus, we can't take this no more. I'm like on my foot, because you're supposed to hold up my foot, then I'm going to push up, then your stomach right there. Your chin, in your stomach. This is me can't push no more. I'm gonna let go my foot. Right now, yeah, there's nothing to make baby feel like my legs them, like anytime I sit down, my leg, when I get up my legs them hurt me. And anytime I lay down, when I get up my legs them hurt me. So it come like 2 minutes and a half baby. The way how I just leg on my foot, it come like it pull some muscles in my foot. Because from the time there, I'm not going up on the baby. Rain and fall, guys. Yeah guys, I'm gonna get some banana tea. But every time I say my leg, when I push, and she said, alright, we give up, man. She said, Miss Francis, oh, the baby's going back up. Hold back your leg and give me a big push. I just hold the foot them so. I was like, hey, woman, man, for respect, woman, yeah. She said, good mommy, the head is out, so we take the head out. Everything won't because the head out at the biggest thing that. She said, don't give me another push. Shoulder is out. Very good, mommy, very good, mommy. She said, shoulder is out, but I see you all something level. So, she said, what time is it right now? Them say 5 minutes past. 8 minutes past 5. This baby was born 8 minutes. Mommy and baby was born 8 minutes past 5:08. Much go away. Mommy and baby 7.93 back and shop in the mouth. Then time there, they give her injection. She can come back and give her injection and say that is the she have to bring down the after. When I have my daughter and then Mr. Papa and I'm Mr. Alright. There is not cold and let's eat. Oh, I have him now. He come like, I love me, can't visit me, I love me, boy. I look for them and clean them off, and piece up the nurse, because I always praying them to Father God. I'm a friend that have the problem there, and she couldn't come out of the hospital and they never pee-pee. They do the body never pee-pee. And I said, Father God, so when you go down, you want as they were born, just piece up the nurse. As they born, piece up the nurse. As they come out, the surgery man came back now and I wipe him out, piece again. So busy. Yeah, there is no. Look at boy, stop this other place. You're not buying no in the sack. And I said, look boy, stop the cussing. Miserable. Look man. Most of you miserable. Already have just come. But that's very well if I am miserable. Yeah, go get. Can't get them nigga. He shit inside of me and then I eat it. So when she done clean him off, the pediatrician, you see someone support his nose and his eye and his nose and his mouth. So someone come up, some you never know say, I don't know. And when I say, so he's bad and cool. And the doctor is bad and cool. He said, no, it's the doodle. And I'm like, okay, because I'm doing things. Please God, please, the man there wins, guide and protect it, oh yeah, guide and protect it from in the womb for the life. The nurse come back now, send him something there, to go clean, wash him out. So we never get him same time when we done. When the nurse come back and I clean me up and everything now, they put me in a wheelchair and push me down my bed, we still never have the baby yet. Everybody else say, Jesus Christ, and after 5, we think everybody asleep, you know? Remember that them fast, you see? Make sure everything them asleep, man. Like, I'm baby. Yes. I'm a boomer. Guys, I'm for true, because I'm be a chat again. You see, I got imagine what people, you know, the story time I did all over the place, but you see, I got imagine what people, but I'm about to come back, man. I said, chop up. I said, the girl when I baby just put people and come back and I say, no, something to me. Something really to me. Why me after I feel so much pain from calling my father? I said, what you do? He said, me asleep. I said, oh, if you're asleep and your boy there road. Yeah, that? Get up. I say, if you do, get up, stand up. Stand up for your rights. You know, get up, stand up. Don't give up the fight. Guys, there's only one little flick I saw. The big dog do, me just body dog do look bad. And see me I go do the video. Can't feel fat without the video. Couldn't do the video so I feel too much fat. Yeah, but I feel look no for that video. And it's gonna be bad. Anyway, because if I say, oh, we are doing at the bed, we are sleep for. Baby, they are, wake up, get up, man, we are doing. You say, baby, man, when they? We said, then I can't run here, then I'm watching more because you do the inside of me and that is back. It's not that deep, man. Let me go visiting time, so you can come live. And he said, 11? And now me I come, we said, blood. And first, been a beard, my guys, and first, anyway. Get ready and I'm coming out after 5 to 6. No, after 6 o'clock. So I get ready. Anyway. I didn't know me. I said, baby, baby now. They must say, Tranny, you don't want to sleep. Want to sleep. He said, I don't want to sleep. Next thing I said, he's all like, I don't want to sleep. But we go lay down. Lay down, I'm not going. You know, after 7 or pediatrician come with me and say, you're Mrs. Francis? I'm say, yes. He said, here is a baby. I'm going to take you. Yeah. Listen, guys. People watch really me, so I could have punk out. I could never that cry. Cutie, no. So guys, I tell them be frightened. Me? I'm still frightened because I don't have a son. Because the one that I'm going to have a baby, so let it be. Father God, I give you thanks. You love me too much, so Start the picture. Send to the Chantal, send to the Carissa. You know, I'm local day one friend them met them say the boss, they're rude and ready to come run the place and like the place. And his name is Romeo. But I think I'm going to give him one nickname, I'm going to give him the nickname Baby Star. Just in the media, Baby Star. But I'm not sure yet. Maybe I'll name him Romeo Baby Star or just Baby Star. I don't know. Leave in the comments which one you don't like. Because one of my Instagram page sheet. Anyway, then I got a video regularly. We look bored after 8. The man reach his father. People them say can't be up on the wall. You have to go back down. So when you have to go back down. Go back down and come and tell me say people say you can't stay up. They say I live after visit time and say you can't wait to live after. You live after when I visiting hours now, the nurse will come call me if you go stitch because I'm meeting someone go pee pain, pure pain. Because I have 2 chop on the 2 sides plus down here so chop out. They saw me up. That was a next disaster. The woman I saw the vagina and I tell me, said, don't move, let's slide up on the bed. Do not touch it because it will get infected. See me? I said this woman I don't know what she do. She not me I said nursey hot. Nurse. And she said she had got dead meat. She said, Miss Francis, we're going to inject it right now. Guys, don't give me flow off in nail and I make my video. You know? You know? Alright. So guys, as me I say, when me done stitch and come back around now, me come see him stand up over the baby. I say, for you one boy? Say, I have my stand up there and look when it's about, you don't know how long it is then. And when the guy stitch and come back and see. But you left the Bianca by himself. He said, stitch with a stitch. I'm not buying that sleep. You never let them put a tree? Anyway, guys, when the doctor come around, them tell me, say, the baby pee and do it already, you know. And then I said, so you don't want to know the name of the doctor who deliver you? I'm say, yes, nurse, that's true. Yes, nurse. And she said, I'm Miss Russell. Okay, Miss Russell, thank you very much for the one by I come out that would. Miss Russell, go to quick, man. I said, you wake up and get the baby. My husband can wait me back to the baby, Miss Russell, I know. But oh God, she work one night. And when she go home, she don't have no use to fear her husband. So then I tell me, the baby people can do that already. So after you have baby, you have to do it for 12 hours of observation. And if mommy, his pressure is okay and the baby people and they can go home. So should me have baby 5 minutes, 8 minutes per side, we can go home 8 minutes per side in the evening, Monday evening. Right? So that's 12 hours right here. So she said, yeah, so you're supposed to go home 5 o'clock today. I said, alright, oh God, yes, pack up, yes, bed, group. Me can't see blood test, I come back. Pressure around them, so my pressure, alright. Because them say, in a different room, my pressure, then I mean, high pressure, I low blood pressure, me.
When we go up there, me say, look here, I look at them, some woman now, the blood test, it's not come yet.
The blood test is not come yet. Let me get the blood test there. I want to go home. And if I can tell you to my dad, he says, look out in the car, you get discharged. You discharge me, and be discharged with the blood test will come back yet. You know, and the lady now asked me, so what my name is, Mr. Lyon. She said the blood results come back. Come get ready. And me say, yes, Jesus, I love you too much. Oh, I can tell people in the world, this is Bianca Entertainment. Like, subscribe, and share to my YouTube channel. I know I'm supposed to get more 8 hour and 10 subscribers out of the hospital. Come walk around with me and go, hey, to everybody know me. Let me get up after work so in the morning. I say, this is Bianca, hey, subscribe to my channel now. And some people say, what's YouTube? I say, you know, Bianca Entertainment. I say, no, I said, my channel, subscribe. And last time we got 10 people subscribe to the channel. Guys, when you have a dream and an aim and you know where you want to go in your life, I say go yeah, man, especially when you're determined bad. Anyways, you know, taxi man come, pay us here and go back home, reach home now. I say, home sweet home, yay! By the time that me finish eating KFC, I reach back home. Yeah. And my baby boy was born, baby Romelio. His name is Romelio. I do the face review, I tell you what I name. Every time they go, we call it something like christen. Yeah, we can't show this one either, I can't tell him christen. So I christen him and you know the video, the face reveal video. And yeah. Hope you enjoy this video. Like, subscribe, comment and share. Now remember, tell a friend, tell another friend about this channel. Then can come over here, come subscribe. And thanks for the people who have been supporting me. My A1 and my day one crew, thanks for being here, thanks for actually journey with me. The people who just come here, hope you guys like the channel and also will subscribe, watch a video or two, or one of them if you don't find them interested, and leave a comment. Thanks for being here, everybody, and so always supporting, and thanks for always leaving a comment, always sharing. People them always share by WhatsApp. Thank you guys so very much, and yeah, I appreciate you all. Now this is the end of the video. The next video will be my baby face reveal, so stay tuned for that video. And remember to hit that notification bell. If you do not hit the notification bell when you subscribe, you will not be first to get one of my uploads. So if you want to be first to get one of my uploads, remember to hit that notification bell and subscribe. Alright guys? Yeah. And this is the end of the video. Love you guys. Ta-ta.